Hello everybody, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix jar files not opening on your Windows device. So let me show you how to fix this. Here we have a classic case of a jar file or a Java file that we want to run to get an app or action to happen. Although, once we click it, we see that we need to select an app to open this .jar file, and we don't have any apps that worked. We have suggested apps, but these will not run the jar file for you. So what do you do in this case? Well, it's really easy. It's just a case of you not having Java on your computer. So let me show you how to fix this. All you need to do is go to your web browser, and I will have a link to the Java version I'll be using in the description, but simply go to your search bar and search up JDK or Java Development Kit 23. Once you've done this, you should see Java downloads, and all you have to do is simply click on the link and you'll be sent to this website. So simply do accept all, and now scroll down a tiny bit and you should see JDK 23, and it is selected on Linux. So make sure to select Windows, and here we have the version that we want. It's the x64 installer. So what you want to do is simply click the link, and it's going to start downloading Java 23 to your downloads folder. So let's just wait for that to finish up real quick. Okay, so here we can see we have Java 23.exe, so this is great. And what we need to do here is simply close our web browser, and now we can go back to our downloads folder. We have our Iris installer or app that we want to run, and we need to run this exe first before we can run our app. So what we have to do here is simply double click the .exe Java installer. We might have a little pop-up, just do yes, and it's gonna start out the installer. So simply click next, and it's just gonna download Java just like this. And now it's done already, so it's really fast. Now what we can do is simply reload all this, and we now can use our Java file. We don't have any icon here. The reason for this is because we need to restart our computer once, and then all the jar files will have this icon which will show up on them. But you can still run it either way. If I double click this, here we have the Iris installer that shows up. And yeah, it is that easy to run your .jar files if they don't open. So if you liked this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you for the next one. Bye!